Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you that how you can download and install Adobe Acrobat Reader on Windows 11 computer. So let's go ahead. The first step is that you should open any web browser installed on your computer and type free Adobe Acrobat Reader and hit enter. And click on the first link, open it. Once you open this website, you will see the option download Acrobat Reader. You can check the system requirements from it as well. These are the minimum Windows system requirements that you should be having for downloading and installing Adobe Acrobat Reader. So click on the download button, click on it, and that's downloaded. Open this exe file and let it install. Click yes if you see user account control prompt on your screen. So installation will begin shortly. Let's start in. So be patient while it's downloading and installing some requisite features. So our installation is about to complete. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection while downloading Adobe Acrobat Reader. Wait for it while it's installing Security Scan Plus and Safe Connect. So our installation has been completed. Click on Finish. Once you click on Finish, you will have this page in your browser. So guys, this is a way how you can download and install Adobe Acrobat Reader in Windows 11 computer. Make Adobe Acrobat my default application. Yes, it's quite user friendly. So that's it guys, that's all from my side. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for further informative tutorials. Take care. Goodbye.